Drink clove tea daily for 1 week. See what happens to your body. When you think of a cozy drink, tea and coffee usually pop into your head first. But have you ever tried adding something extra to your tea? Clove tea is a tasty drink with a nice smell. It's not just good because it tastes nice, it also helps keep you healthy. For a really long time, people in India have used cloves to cook with. Everyone loves the way cloves smell and taste. But they are also good for you because they can help with health problems. Cloves have lots of antioxidants, which are good for you. Drinking cloves is good for your health, and making a tea out of them is one way to enjoy them. Many people drink tea every morning because it is such a common part of life. Clove tea is amazing, and drinking it every day can make you feel better. At the end of the video, we'll even show you how to make a great clove tea recipe. Before we learn anything else, let's explore where cloves come from. Cloves are sweet-smelling flower buds from a tree called Syzygium aromaticum, part of the Myrtaceae family. Many products we use every day, like toothpaste, soaps, and makeup, have cloves in them because of their smell and taste. They originally come from the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. The strong, spicy taste of clove comes mostly from a chemical called eugenol, which makes up about 80 to 90% of clove bud oil. People from places like Asia, Africa, the Mediterranean, and the Middle East use cloves to make food like fruits, meats, curries, and sauces taste better. You can also put cloves in drinks like tea to make them smell and taste nice. Usually, people like to add sugar or lemon to go with the cloves. Did you know that drinking clove tea is a great way to fight off sicknesses from viruses or bacteria, especially during certain seasons? We will talk about how cloves can do more than just prevent sickness and help you lose weight too. Let's start. 1. Instant relieves toothaches. Clove tea can also help with tooth pain. For a long time, people have used it for teeth and gum issues. Cloves are good for reducing swelling in the gums because they bring down inflammation. They also fight bacteria and fungus, so they can help prevent infections in your mouth. If you have toothache, swollen gums, or want fresher breath, rinsing with warm clove tea can help. 2. Reduces sinus infections. If you have a feeling of being stuffed up in your chest or head, a cup of warm clove tea can help, especially if you drink it in the morning. It can clear up infections and make sinus pain go away fast. Clove has an ingredient called eugenol that helps break up mucus because it increases blood flow. Also, cloves have more antioxidants and antibacterial qualities than many fruits and vegetables. Using natural clove can calm down coughs and sore throats, even without medicine. Lastly, breathing in the steam from a hot cup of clove tea can make your breathing feel easier by soothing any irritation in the breathing passages. 3. Better blood flow. Clove tea helps blood move better in our bodies, and good blood movement is important for our health. The stuff inside cloves helps blood move faster. This can help control our body's temperature and how quickly we use energy, both of which are linked to our blood system. When we drink clove tea, it can make our organs work better by bringing more blood and oxygen to their cells. Before we go on, if you're enjoying this explanation, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments. We're happy to help. Now, let's continue. 4. Boosts immunity and helps fevers. Clove tea is really good for your health. It has many vitamins and minerals like magnesium, vitamin E, and vitamin K. It also fights off infection because it stops bacteria and reduces swelling in the body. Drinking clove tea can help bring down a fever because it can lower your body's heat. This tea helps your body's defense system get stronger so you can stay well and tough against sicknesses. 5. Lower blood sugar levels. Cloves might help people with diabetes or who are close to developing it. They can help lower the sugar levels in your blood before and after eating. Drinking clove tea, which has special compounds, might help manage blood sugar. Studies show that people who don't have diabetes and took a special clove extract had lower blood sugar afterward. 6. Stress reliever. Stress is bad for our health and can make us feel awful because life is so busy these days. Drinking clove tea can really help you chill out. The smell and what's in clove tea help to calm down your nerves. To feel peaceful and calm, try sitting down with a cup of clove tea. 7. Weight loss and improves digestion issues. Drinking clove tea can help you lose weight and make your stomach work better. If you drink a cup before eating, it can make you produce more saliva and get the blood flowing in your stomach, which helps with digestion. Clove tea is also good for getting rid of gas and indigestion. It makes your stomach release more digestive juices, and it can soothe tummy aches and lessen the sour feeling in your stomach. If you feel sick to your stomach, this tea can help stop you from wanting to throw up because it has properties that prevent nausea. Cloves are also known to reduce swelling in the body, which can be linked to weight gain. They can make fat cells smaller, which might help you shed some pounds. Also, adding spices like cloves to your meals can speed up your metabolism, which means your body burns fat faster and more efficiently. 8. Fights cancer. Drinking clove tea might be really good for people with cancer. So far, the studies done on cloves and their ability to fight cancer are still pretty new, but the early results look good. When tested in labs, clove substances have been able to kill different kinds of cancer cells. For example, one experiment showed that clove substances could destroy colon cancer cells and stop them from growing more. In another experiment, clove substances worked against breast cancer cells. There's also a study where clove substances managed to kill 80% of cancer cells from the esophagus in a lab. But before doctors can test cloves on people with cancer, scientists need to do a lot more studying. 9. Treats UTIs. Clove oil seems to be good at stopping the growth of bacteria that cause infections in the urinary system, including both the common types of bacteria known as gram-negative and gram-positive. An example of gram-negative bacteria is Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and an example of gram-positive bacteria is Streptococcus. If you want to get the benefits of clove oil, you should drink clove tea regularly. 10. Great nutritional supplement. Cloves are good for your health when used as a spice. They have a lot of good stuff in them, like vitamin C, vitamin K, a mineral called manganese, some calcium, a bit of magnesium, and a little vitamin E. They also give you dietary fiber. Cloves have things called antioxidants, including vitamin C and something called eugenol, which can help prevent long-term illnesses from starting. Plus, the manganese in cloves is important for keeping bones strong. 11. Reduces arthritis pain. Have you heard from arthritis? You might want to use a cold clove tea compress. Cloves can numb pain, so clove tea can help with the aches in your joints and muscles, swelling, and hurt ligaments. To feel better, put the compress on the sore spot for 20 minutes. Do this 2 or 3 times a day. 12. Effective against intestinal parasites. Clove tea is good for getting rid of tiny creatures called parasites living in the guts. People have been using it for a long time to kill these parasites, which survive by taking what they need from their human hosts. These parasites in the stomach are not rare and can cause different health issues that don't feel good. Because clove can help reduce swelling and pain, it's helpful for easing the stomach aches that often happen when your body is fighting off these parasites. 13. Prevents food poisoning. Clove tea and the oil from clove buds can stop harmful bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria from growing, which helps prevent food poisoning. Research shows that clove oil and the substance in it called eugenol work better at killing bacteria than some common chemical preservatives found in food, like potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate. They are also safer to use and smell better. Clove oil and eugenol are good for this because they kill microbes, stop fungi, and have a nice scent. 14. Removes acne. Clove extract, which has substances like ethanol and eugenol, can help reduce swelling and kill bacteria that cause acne. The oil from cloves is good for clearing up skin infections and problems, including different types of acne like cystic acne, whiteheads, and blackheads. It not only cleans the skin but also lessens the pain that often comes with serious acne. Using this oil can help get rid of blackheads and whiteheads too. 15. Reduces skin issues. Clove tea has lots of germ-fighting ingredients, so it's good for treating many skin problems. The strong-smelling oils in clove tea help your body get rid of harmful stuff. It also helps fix small cuts and scratches. Plus, you can put clove tea on your skin to help stop and treat fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworm. 16. Natural disinfectant. Not many know this, but if you make tea from cloves, it can clean your hands just like a hand sanitizer. Here's what to do. Take the clove tea and put it on your hands. Rub your hands together. As you rub, you're getting rid of dirt and germs on your hands. What's cool about using clove tea is that it's all from nature. so it doesn't have the unwanted side effects that some store-bought hand sanitizers might have. 17. Enhances mood. The scent of cloves is rich and comforting, and it can act as an aromatherapeutic agent. Aromatherapy can help reduce stress and anxiety, which are common mood detractors. The strong, spicy aroma of cloves might stimulate the senses in a way that lifts your mood. Cloves are high in antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and inflammation, conditions that are often associated with mood disorders. A reduction in oxidative stress can lead to an improvement in overall well-being, which may improve mood. The act of drinking a warm beverage can be soothing and offer a sense of comfort. This psychological and physical warmth can enhance the feeling of relaxation and contentment, thus improving mood. Potential precaution. Cloves are safe to use as a spice when you don't use too much. But you should be careful because cloves can stop blood from clotting. If you take medicine to thin your blood, don't eat a lot of cloves before talking to your doctor. Let's talk about why you might like to try clove tea and how to make it simply. You'll need 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 2 cups of water, a sweetener you like. Here's what to do. 1. Boil 2 cups of water in a pot. 2. Add 1 tablespoon of whole cloves to the boiling water. 3. Turn the heat down and let the tea simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. This lets the tea get really flavorful. 4. After simmering, turn off the heat and let the tea sit for 2 more minutes. 5. Use a strainer to take out the cloves and pour the tea into your favorite mug. 6. If you want, add sweeteners like honey or lemon slices to make it taste better. 7. Stir your tea and enjoy the cozy clove smell. Thinking of giving clove tea a try? Tell us in the comments.